Welcome to the ITSM Practice Podcast.
Welcome to another episode of the ITSM Practice Podcast. I'm Luigi Ferri, and today we are joined by David Barrow, a renowned ITSM consultant and an IT ambassador with an extensive career in transforming the digital and IT service sectors worldwide. Our topic today is a fascinating one: the future of ITSM, why removing IT could broaden its impact. David, known for his innovative ideas on expanding ITSM beyond its traditional limits, will discuss how widening ITSM scope could revolutionize various industries. David, let's explore how ITSM is becoming a more essential part of business strategy.
I want to begin by thanking Luigi Ferri for inviting me along to the ITSM Practice Podcast. I really appreciate it. It's a great honour to be here. And I'd like to begin this episode by talking about something that's been on my mind for quite some time. It's a topic that I wrote about recently on LinkedIn. And it's an open question. Should we consider removing the IT from IT service management? What if we shifted our perspectives and looked at service management through a broader lens? Could this solve existing problems? Could it enhance our roles? And could it add tangible value to organisations? And more importantly for me, could it make our industry more appealing and diverse? We live in a digital era. The importance of ITSM now extends far beyond the traditional IT tasks. Service management is now pivotal in designing and delivering digital experiences that our customers expect. We are pivotal in ensuring the seamless operation of those services, and we support every facet of the modern business. By shedding the IT and embracing a broader service management approach, could it be that we could unlock our potential to enhance and improve digital experiences and make service management that appealing career path, one that is sought after like the fields of marketing or sales? First and foremost, service management is at the heart of digital transformation. We ensure services are agile, reliable, and that they positively impact customer experiences and engagement. Effective service management strategies are essential for delivering intuitive and seamless experiences. They're critical for customer retention and brand loyalty in this digital world. Structured practices within service management, such as those outlined in frameworks like ITIL, help manage digital services efficiently. We minimise downtime, we enhance service operation and delivery, and we optimise resource allocation. We contribute significantly to an organisation's efficiencies, and we are more than just IT. We are the enablers of operational excellence. So should we be setting higher standards and goals for ourselves? We should be. We should be setting the benchmarks for service quality. We should ensure digital interactions meet our customers' expectations. And we should take those best practices and use those to deliver higher service quality, improve customer satisfaction and competitive advantage. Because why should we settle for second best? We really in our industry have the capability to design and deliver the highest benchmarks for human-focused digital experiences. So I implore you, work with your colleagues, map your services from your customer's perspective, create and cultivate communities, which I'll cover later, to improve your existing services and delight your customers with new ones. Humanize your digital products. Let's remove IT and let's concentrate on the human experience. Now, some of you will be telling me, What about risk? What about compliance? Well, they are essential. But we mustn't use them as an excuse to stifle innovation, something I've been guilty of doing in the past. We can still use service management to provide the guardrails needed to comply with regulations and to manage risks effectively. But if we take a more proactive approach to risk, then we can be so much more pivotal in maintaining and developing the trust and ensuring the security of our customer data. We must balance the risk of doing something with the risk of not doing something, because once we start getting that balance correct, we clear a path for innovation. I mentioned at the beginning of this piece that I really want to make our industry much more viable for those coming into the workplace. I honestly believe service management as a career can be as attractive as those more common roles in marketing or sales. And we need to focus on how we drive business success and innovation, how we measure and communicate our positive impacts on customer experience. We need to highlight our strategic influence on organizations. We are not just technical IT experts. We act as strategic partners, aligning digital services with broader business goals. And we are about innovation, much more than we are about maintenance. We are constantly exploring new ways to deliver services more efficiently and effectively, and we're doing so using the latest technologies and methodologies. We are at the heart of continuous improvement in our organizations, and I believe this makes service management as a role dynamic and appealing. But what we fail to do is market this. So I implore you, to everybody listening to this podcast, shout and be proud about what you do from the rooftops. Work with your people and culture teams and let others hear how cool your job is. Because service management offers a unique blend of the technical, the business and interpersonal skills. We have a truly holistic view of business operations, and we are able to develop a diverse skill set that is highly transferable and highly valuable across variable roles. We have career flexibility and growth. I myself have worked in 27 industries. So what I'm saying to all the leaders out there is elevate the profile of your service management function by celebrating their successes and their innovations through internal and external communications. Recognize the achievements of your teams and shift the perception and highlight their critical role in your organizational success. And develop communities that are focused on value to thrive and give that recognition when it's deserved. And also, leaders, listen and be inclusive. Don't talk over your teams. Don't talk over those that are marginalized. Allow them to thrive. Promote and employ those who deserve it. And please ensure proportional representation. Enable your workforce to act as allies to one another. Because diverse teams bring diverse ideas and perspectives, and this enriches our industry. So as I draw to a close, I want to ask, do we believe this is the conclusion? And the obvious answer is, of course, it's not. This podcast alone won't change anything. But if you like it, if you comment upon it, you share, and you contribute towards the debate around what I'm talking about, then I believe we can start to generate a movement. We can start to develop communities and promote all that is great about our industry. And by rebranding ITSM just as service management and emphasizing its critical role in shaping digital experiences, we can make service management a coveted and valued career choice. And these approaches can meet strategic business goals. They can help attract a new generation of talented, diverse professionals looking for dynamic and impactful careers. Because service management is not just about maintaining services. It's about driving digital innovation. It's about enabling and empowering the modern business professional. And maybe it's a bit of a sexy career that can be really appealing to everybody in the marketplace today. Thanks for listening. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this subject.